These 10 cars didn't just change transportation, they rewrote human history. They started revolutions, saved the planet, and by 2050, their descendants might drive themselves while you sleep. I studied automotive evolution across 130 years, and what I discovered will change how you see every car on the road. Let's start with the one that made cars affordable for everyone. 10. Chrysler Minivan, 1984. Then, in 1983, Lee Iacocca bet Chrysler's future on a radical idea: front-wheel drive, sliding doors, and seating for 7 in a car-sized package. Auto journalists mocked it. Families worshipped it. The Dodge Caravan and Plymouth Voyager killed the station wagon overnight and created an entirely new vehicle category. Now, though SUVs have stolen minivan sales, soccer moms know the truth. Nothing hauls families better. Modern minivans like the Pacifica offer features that didn't exist in 1984: stow-and-go seating, built-in vacuums, and rear entertainment systems. 2050. Family vehicles in 2050 might become autonomous living rooms on wheels. Interiors could transform from 7-passenger haulers to mobile offices or sleeping quarters, all possibly driving themselves to school, work, or vacation spots. 9. Toyota Prius, 1997. Then, in 1997, Toyota committed corporate suicide, or so rivals thought. Investing billions in hybrid technology when gas was cheap seemed insane. The Prius looked weird, drove weird, but got 52 mpgs when SUVs managed 15. Hollywood celebrities made it cool. Suddenly, efficiency was sexy. Now, the Prius single-handedly created the hybrid market. Over 6 million sold proved you could save the planet without sacrificing practicality. Its hybrid system architecture became the industry standard, used in everything from Ferraris to F-150s. 2050. By 2050, hybrids might be relics, museum pieces from the transition era. Yet the Prius legacy could live on as proof that environmental responsibility and innovation can be profitable. 8. Tesla Model S, 2012. Then, in 2012, electric cars were golf carts with delusions of grandeur, until Tesla's Model S proved electricity could be sexy. It out-accelerated Ferraris, out-teched BMWs, and traveled 265 miles per charge when competitors managed 80. Elon Musk didn't just build an electric car, he made gasoline feel obsolete. Now, the Model S normalized electric luxury, forcing every manufacturer into the EV race. Its over-the-air updates turned cars into smartphones on wheels, software improvements that made year-old cars faster overnight. 2050. EVs by 2050 might charge fully within 90 seconds thanks to quantum battery breakthroughs. They could drive 2,000 miles per charge and swap their own hardware modules automatically to stay up to date. 7. McLaren F1, 1992. Then, Gordon Murray had one insane goal: build the ultimate road car with zero compromises. Central driving position, gold-lined engine bay, and carbon fiber everything. It cost $1 million in 1992, but delivered 240 miles per hour from a naturally aspirated V12. For 13 years, nothing was faster. Now, the F1 proved exotic materials and fighter jet engineering could work in road cars. Every hypercar since, from Bugatti to Koenigsegg, follows Murray's carbon fiber blueprint. Surviving F1s now sell for $20 million. 2050. Hypercars of the future might be built with graphene structures 100 times stronger than carbon fiber, weighing under 500 pounds total. They could reach 300 miles per hour silently, propelled by electric motors smaller than basketballs. 6. Toyota Corolla, 1966. Then, in 1966, Toyota needed to beat America's dominance. The Corolla was their answer. Not the fastest, prettiest, or most powerful car, but the most reliable car ever built. While American V8s leaked oil and broke down, Corollas ran for 300,000 miles on basic maintenance. Now, with 50 million sold, the Corolla is history's best-selling car nameplate. It perfected the formula competitors still chase: bulletproof reliability at an affordable price. In developing countries, 30-year-old Corollas still run perfectly. 2050. The future might bring Corollas with solid-state batteries lasting the car's entire 50-year lifespan. These vehicles could be family heirlooms, passed down through generations, rarely needing repairs.
5. Mini Cooper, 1959. Then, British engineer Alec Isigonis had one mission during the 1956 Suez oil crisis: build the smallest practical car possible. He turned the engine sideways, pushed the wheels to the corners, and created 80% passenger space in a 10-foot box. It was automotive origami that revolutionized small car design. Now, every front-wheel drive car today uses Isigonis's transverse engine layout. The Mini's packaging genius influenced everything from Honda Civics to Tesla Model 3s. Over 5 million original Minis proved small could be mighty. 2050. Microcars in the future might morph their interiors, expanding and contracting with transforming seats and walls. Imagine a vehicle shorter than today's Mini that can comfortably fit 4 passengers and park vertically in spaces cars can't use now. 4. Porsche 911, 1964. Then, in 1963, Porsche gambled everything on a crazy idea: put the engine behind the rear axle where physics said it shouldn't go. Engineers called it unstable. Drivers called it perfection. That rear engine layout created a driving experience so unique, Porsche never dared change it. Now, after 60 years and 8 generations, the 911 still puts its engine in the wrong place. Modern turbocharged versions produce 640 horsepower, 21 times the original, while keeping that unmistakable silhouette. It's the most successful sports car ever built. 2050. In the future, 911s might use solid-state batteries placed precisely to maintain perfect weight distribution, producing around 1,200 horsepower silently. The shape could remain eternal because some designs never go out of style. 3. Jeep WILLYS, 1941. Then, in 1940, the U.S. Army needed a lightweight reconnaissance vehicle. WILLYS delivered the MB Jeep, a 2,450-pound war machine that could climb 60% grades and ford 18-inch rivers. It won World War II before it ever fired a shot, carrying soldiers through African deserts and European mud. General Eisenhower called it one of the war's 3 most decisive weapons. Now, the Jeep Wrangler still uses body-on-frame construction from its military grandfather. Off-roaders worldwide worship its go-anywhere DNA. 84 years of continuous production prove the original design was perfect. 2050. It's possible future military vehicles will change their wheel configurations to tackle any terrain and might be powered by hydrogen fuel cells emitting only water vapor. Self-healing nanomaterials might let them repair battle damage autonomously. 2. Volkswagen Beetle, 1938. Then, born from a dictator's dream to motorize Nazi Germany, Ferdinand Porsche designed the people's car to cost less than a motorcycle. Post-war, it became the symbol of peace, love, and affordable mobility. By 1972, it outsold the Model T with 15 million units, proving good design outlives evil origins. Now, the Beetle's air-cooled rear engine influenced everything from Porsche 911s to early Subarus. Its simple, reliable design made it the longest-produced car in history, over 21 million sold across 65 years. 2050. One might imagine future people's cars being even more affordable than smartphones, perhaps powered by solar skins that charge the battery while parked. They could last 50 years and be almost entirely recyclable, fulfilling the Beetle's dream of perfect efficiency. 1. Ford Model T, 1908. Then, in 1908, cars were toys for millionaires, until Henry Ford changed everything. Before the Model T, a car cost $4,700, that's $150,000 today. Workers needed 3 years' salary just to afford one. Ford's assembly line slashed production time from 12 hours to 93 minutes, dropping the price to $260. This wasn't just a car, it was a revolution that put America on wheels. Now, modern assembly lines inherited Ford's DNA. Today's Ford F-150 rolls off the line every 53 seconds using robotic precision Ford could only dream of. The Model T's 20 horsepower seems laughable now, but its simplicity changed manufacturing forever. 2050. By 2050, cars inspired by the Model T could be 3D printed right in your driveway within a day. AI might customize every vehicle to your DNA, making cars as personal as your fingerprint, all possibly thanks to Ford's assembly line concept. These 10 cars didn't just transport people, they transported humanity into new eras. From Ford's assembly line revolution to Tesla's electric awakening, each one redefined what was possible. By 2050, our grandchildren may look back at today's cars the way we view the Model T, primitive but essential stepping stones. Which car's evolution surprised you most? And what automotive innovation should I cover next? Drop your answers below. The future of cars might be more incredible than you think.